Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of console customization with the eXtremeRate Clear Orange DIY replacement shell for the Nintendo Switch Lite. Let's see if this product lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what you get in the package. Along with the clear orange replacement shell, you also receive colorful ABXY buttons, volume up, down buttons, power buttons, and even a screen protector. It's a complete kit for giving your Switch Lite a fresh new look. Now, one thing to note right off the bat is that this isn't a simple snap-on accessory. The installation process requires some technical know-how. You'll need to disassemble your Switch Lite, transfer the internal components to the new shell, and then reassemble everything. Installation difficulty is rated as high, and it's recommended to set aside at least 4 hours for the process. But don't worry, eXtremeRate provides detailed instructions, and you can even find installation videos on YouTube to guide you through every step. Once you've completed the installation, the results are truly impressive. The clear orange shell adds a unique and vibrant look to your Switch Lite, making it stand out from the crowd. Plus, the included screen protector ensures that your display stays safe from scratches and smudges. In terms of quality, the replacement shell is made of premium ABS material, ensuring durability and longevity. However, some users have reported that the plastic can be a bit flimsy. So it's important to handle it with care during installation. Speaking of user feedback, customers have praised the appearance of the shell, with many loving the old-school vibe it gives off. However, opinions are mixed when it comes to the ease of installation and the sturdiness of the shell. Overall, the eXtremeRate Clear Orange DIY replacement shell offers a fantastic way to personalize your Nintendo Switch Lite. While the installation process may be challenging for some, the end result is well worth the effort. If you're looking to give your Switch Lite a fresh new look, this product is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!